Hi students, this is Suchadata teaching economics to class 11 and here I am with the 8th chapter and the name of the chapter is infrastructure. Can you think of having development in the industries without proper energy? Can you think of enhancing your trade without good transport system? Can you think of developing your other such areas without increasing the infrastructure of the country? Definitely no. So, we would like to first of all discuss as to what is infrastructure. Of course, in a layman's term, it would be the roads, the railways, the power, the energy, the schools, the hospitals, all of these can be termed as infrastructure. But for a student of economics, the real definition is that infrastructure is in fact those core elements which enhance or support the system of production in the country, without whom or whose we cannot have any kind of development in the country. They are the support system, the backbone of all the production activities in the country. As far as infrastructure are concerned, they are broadly classified into two, that is the economic infrastructure and the social infrastructure. The economic infrastructure is that infrastructure which is like the power, the transport, etc. Whereas the social infrastructure are the schools, colleges and the hospitals. Now, by just looking at what they are, it clearly indicates that the economic infrastructure increase the living standard of the people. When you have excellent houses, you have proper power, you have transport, that's increasing the living standard of the people. But with the schools, hospitals and the colleges, the quality of life increases of an individual. The economic infrastructure is definitely responsible for the growth of the economy, whereas the social infrastructure is responsible for the human development. So, the economic infrastructure is basically responsible for the hike, for the rise in the economy of the country. As far as the finance, the money is concerned, this infrastructure is a vital necessity. But the social infrastructure deals with the human development, the all-round development, the quality of the citizens. So, both are equally essential as well as inevitable.